Hi guys, welcome back to this section of Sales Funnel Market. In this section, I'm going to talk about lead funnels. Lead funnels are meant to get your customers into your business, to get them introduced to you and your business. So the best way to get your ideal customer is to think about something that your ideal customer wants to know. So a quick result provided by an ebook, or everybody is selling ebooks, or there are tons of ways that are way better than an ebook. You can give them an ebook, you can give them a video or a case study, testimonials, everything that is a little bit of value in the process of solving your customer's problem. So if you have, for example, I'm just going to show you a funnel here. This is going to be a lead funnel for in the health section for a chiropractor. So this is the complete guide for relieving aches and pains at home or on the job. So a lot of people are maybe truck drivers, they are struggling with back pain and they want to know how to just quickly solve that. And this is like a self-help back and body book. So if somebody opts in, it's like you want to know how chiropractic care can stop your pain and help you regain your health, then get your free digital copy. So it's not even a hard copy, it's just a PDF that you send. And this is the first page, and it's always like with a headline that captures them or draws them in. It's like the hook of a story. When you go fishing, you need a hook with bait. This is the bait, the self-help book, and you're baiting all the people who have this problem and would like to know how to solve it. So just a headline and you give them access. Don't put logos on here. It's like, oh, I need my logo on there. No, you don't. Because people click something, and if they click on your logo, they go to your website and the whole purpose of this funnel is lost. So they opt in, they give their email address, blah, blah, gmail.com, and then they enter, and you go to the second page. A funnel is just like a path that you want your customer to take. So it's just, this thing is all about downloading the book, getting the email address so you build your list and can market to those people who opted in for this book for free. Because you own the traffic now, it's on your email list and you own it. So you don't need to pay to get these customers again. Great thing about building your email list is that you can upload it to Facebook, Google, or any advertising platform, and they look for similar audiences. So by building your list, you get actually you're narrowing down on your ideal customer on Facebook, Google, and any other platform. So this is the second page. Second page has only one purpose: to deliver the content and to say, hey, wait, although I sent the book to your email, wait, I'm gonna make you a different offer. So it's like step 1, download your free gifts. Step 2, join the challenge. At this moment, these people are looking for a solution, and this, by opting in, they are interested. So on the thank you page is the best opportunity to sell them more stuff. So if you want to do the challenge, you actually tell them what to do. Download your free stuff and then join the challenge. And by joining the challenge, you go to the third page, you actually start making money on the acquisition of a new customer. So if I can sell them a $49 thing, challenge access, and the challenge is just 30 days of video content, or access to a Facebook group where you have 30 days of video of Facebook Live where you talk about 30 days of back pain relief. Maybe day 1, it's exercises. Day 2, it's having the right posture. I always slouch behind the computer, I have to sit straight. Day 3, they talk about how you can do some little exercises to improve the muscle strength and so on. So every day it's about one topic. And you can even ask or look around what the biggest struggles of people are who are having back pain. So if you do an ask campaign before this, if you have a list and you ask from, well, what are your biggest struggles, and you pick the top 30, that's your challenge. Don't overthink it. There's an easy form where they can fill in their details. They can have credit card payment. And this is a little order bump. It's like, oh, you're gaining access for $49. Normally it's $2.49. And this is like if you go to the supermarket and you need to check out, and it's like Russell Brunson always has those orange TikToks. My kid has it with Kinder Eggs. She's like, oh daddy, can I have this? And you go like, oh yes. It's just a no-brainer. You pick it up and you make a little extra. So for only $47 you want to get that self-help book on DVD to get results faster. Let's complete your order. Let me see. Hop. After that, it's like the thank you page. It's the fourth page in this funnel. It's a really easy funnel. Opt-in page, thank you page, where you actually pitch the challenge. Then they go to the payment page for the challenge. Opt-in, thank you, challenge page, payment, and then it's the thank you page. And here it's like, oh, you just deliver the product, so you can get access to the membership where all the content is in by clicking here. And that's it. That's how you get a customer for free, because you have a little product in place that will recoup your ad spend. So you can tweak the price points a little bit, about $49, $37, sometimes $59, $57. Magic numbers are 7 and 9 at the end. Don't know why, it's human psychology, I think. And you just hook up your Stripe account and you can grow your list, get more customers, warm up your customers during the challenge. And in the challenge, you can pitch them your coaching course or training or your mastermind, or in this case, it could be like membership or not a membership. It's like a once a month daily checkup where you get a massage and a checkup for the chiro stuff. But you can put anything in this. It works for chiros, but it also works for, let me see. This is another example. So if you're in real estate, it's exactly the same. Different headline about stuff that they want. A dual study guide that will lead you to success in real estate investing. So this is about real estate investing. Somebody who is looking for real estate investing wants to get this free book. It's like, oh yeah, here's my email address. And it's like, okay, thanks. Download your gift and join the Deal Finder Challenge. And again, this is really simple. They can opt in on the third page, which is the order form. They can pay their $49 or whatever you're charging, $79. Real estate is a market where they spend a little more money. So, and the bump is 27. Again, click here to complete your order, and it goes to deliver the challenge, the membership access. If you want to know how the membership actually works, there's a section inside Sales Funnel Market which shows you challenge funnels. And here are all the challenge funnels, which I'm going to talk about in a different video. So these were the lead funnels, which you find in the membership right here below. You can click on the link. If you do that, a window pops up and it says Paul Groothuizen would like to share this funnel with you. You click the button download. If you're a ClickFunnels member already, it goes straight into your account. If you're not a ClickFunnels member, it shows you a 14-day trial. You can just sign up, use the funnel, already drive traffic, get paid before you even need to pay for ClickFunnels. So it's a win-win. So see you in the next video where I talk about different funnels. Bye.